Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So, today's topic, what's our today's topic? Yes, look here. Today's topic is magical words. Magical words. Yes. So, first word is please. First word is please. Second word is sorry. Third, thank you. Fourth, welcome. Then excuse me. These are our magical words. So let's start a rhyme. Start with me, okay? We say please when we need something. We say please when we need something. We say sorry if we are wrong. We say sorry if we are wrong. We say thank you if we receive something. We say thank you if we receive something. We say welcome if someone says thank you. We say welcome if someone says thank you. Then we say excuse me. We say excuse me when we want to ask. We say excuse me when we want to ask or get someone's attention. These are the magical words. Use it daily or when time comes. Magical words. Please, when we want to say something, when we need something, please give me a pen. Okay? Like this. Please give me a notebook. Just don't take like this. Say, use these types of words. It adds more politeness in our speech. If I want to ask something from you, what I will say? Please give me this. Hana? It feels better, na? Then, sorry if I do a mistake, any mistake if I have done. So, what I will say? Sorry. Then other person say, it's okay. So, it has added an expression and politeness to my speech. Then thank you. If someone gives you something, if your mama, your father or anyone from your family or any outsider also gives you something, what you have to say? Thank you. What you will say? Thank you. Now then, welcome. When you say thank you to that person, to just tell your mama also and other person also, now say welcome to me. What that person will say? Welcome. Okay? Then excuse me. If elders are talking to each other, if your mama and your papa or someone else is talking to each other, just don't say, keep on saying mama, mama, mama. What you have to first say? Excuse me. Excuse me. We want to get someone's attention. When we want to get someone's attention, then what we say? We say, excuse me mama, excuse me papa. Then they will say yes. Then start what you want to say. Okay? Just don't keep on saying mama, mama, mama. What you will say from now? Excuse me mama if you want to say something. Okay? When your mama is busy talking to someone else, then say excuse me. Okay? So these are magical words. Let's revise it again. We say please when we need something. We say please when we need something. We say sorry if we are wrong. We say sorry if we are wrong. We say thank you. We say thank you when we receive something. We say thank you when we receive something. We say welcome when someone says thank you. We say excuse me. We say excuse me when we want something. When we want something or get someone's attention. We say excuse me when we want something or get someone's attention. Okay? Use these magical words when you want. Okay? Then start using these magical words. This will add politeness to your speech. Okay then? Bye-bye. Take care.